Yo, Bjorn. Like, this is the first time I've been doing this. Alright? First time ever. Yeah, I know. I don't know what to do. Like, what are we supposed to film anyway? Should I just film you? That'd be cool. Just filming what you do for the whole day. Making that a vlog. You don't really care, eh? But those ears though, man, the ears. See, this is the cool part. When I say, I'm not putting it. That's the command for let's go outside. So, I'm not putting it. Like, the trouble I'm having is, how do people, like, how are you supposed to, with one hand, put toothpaste on your toothbrush while vlogging? Like, how? Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Alright, so we got that part done. Shit. Okay. So, first time I even doing this, I didn't even know what to do, you know? It's like, I have all this over my whole day, but I can't do it. Right? Yeah, you know, right? Like, you know what? You don't understand the thing I'm saying right now. But what I wanted to say was, what do you guys do when you vlog, you know? Like, it's super hard. I'll see you later. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Good morning from Belgrade now. This is my first time doing this, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to show out through the vlogs, but it probably might be my whole day. Anyway, right now it's just going to be enjoying a cool coffee and playing some chess online for the morning. Let's get the show on the road. Yeah, I know this is not chess, but it's some sort of, I don't even know what you're supposed to do here. Back, not now. Alright, so we got a little chess going on here. Rating of that dude is 1539, and he just lost the game. Very easy, end game. And coffee and everything going on. Alright, so here we are. You know what the worst thing is? When you gotta, you gotta film yourself, but shit, you don't got enough millimeters in that lens, so we need a wider lens. Let's go buy one. Oh boy, I wish I had an automatic car. Thing is that it's very hard to film yourself on a 28mm lens, because you have to like push your hand all the way out and you still don't get enough coverage. So we're just gonna go get ourselves a new lens. For 28, I think I'm gonna go down to 18mm. And what I found is, oh yeah, also another thing, vlogging while driving a stick shift is so damn hard, because apparently one of your hands is being used to shift gears and the other one just holding the camera. Anyway, forgot my sunglasses, shit. And from the 28, I'm gonna go down to the 18, the Samyang 18mm f2.8. That's my plan. And I gotta let some people pass on the crosswalk. Shit. Ajde pređi bre. Guys, we gotta test that lens out. Shit. We gotta see what it's like. People told me it's a good lens. People told me it's worth the money. It's not very expensive. It comes out to be like $350 US, or if you're in Europe, it comes out to be around 350 euros, which is not that bad for a new lens, but we'll see how it works. Let's go straight to the shop right now. Alright, so here we are, ladies and gentlemen, and it's this small shop on the corner. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but we have to go get our new lens. Now, I'm just gonna do the thing with the camera that I do, and you're gonna see the difference between the 28 and 18 the next time this turns on. So see ya. And what's up, guys? We're back already. You can see the difference between a 28 and an 18. Now I'm gonna get to driving. Hopefully we won't have too much traffic. Gotta go pick up my mom, and then we're going for lunch / dinner. It's always nice to have dinner with your mom. Alright, so since I'm kind of stuck in traffic, not really headed anywhere, I really want to talk a little bit about this Samyang that I just got. So before I considered purchasing the lens, I googled a little bit about it, and turns out Samyang started making the lenses with autofocus. The previous versions didn't have autofocus, and it looked kind of interesting. First of all, the lens itself is like really light. I think it's got like 100 grams or maybe a bit over. That's at least how it feels. It's like very light, and it's compact. And the good thing is that you can shift and turn your camera around as much as you like, and very fast, which is really good for vlogging. Now, what it turns out to be like when you're actually using it for production or when you're actually using it for work, we'll see. I'm gonna do a review on that too, but right now, just for this, perfect, amazing, very good, tremendous, holy shit. Anyway, the good thing about it is that I don't have to extend my hand to the fullest of my reach. I can just put it on the handstand of the car and vlog like this, which is amazing because my hand's not really that far away from my face right now. It's maybe probably 30-40 centimeters in retarded units. That's like 18 inches, I don't know, whatever. The traffic here is holy shit. Like the traffic here is like really bad. Look at this. Now I'm supposed to go left, but the guy won't let me, and they're squeezing me into a sandwich. Yeah, I use the blinker. Like in a BMW, you usually don't use a blinker, but I had to right now. So we'll see. All in all, gonna go pick up my mom, gonna have lunch somewhere, then I'm gonna head home and continue editing shit. So I'll see you at the editing table. Alright, what's up, guys? So apparently we kind of have a problem. I just came home. My mom doesn't want to have lunch with me, so I'm just gonna skip that and go to dinner with a friend. And what's going on is we came into a problem. Now the problem is that I didn't know you're supposed to distribute or release the video for the first Vlogmas on the first day of December. Now, I thought it was a day-for-day thing where I shoot today and then edit at night and then release tomorrow, but apparently it's not. So I'm kind of late with this. I'm not gonna have a chance to edit this today, so hopefully on December 2nd you will see the first Vlogmas, which should be December 1st, whatever. And you'll have fun. Tomorrow I'll be talking a little bit about the lens that I just got, which you're looking through right now, and we'll get started like full tempo on from tomorrow. You'll also be seeing a lot of photo shoots. I'll take you on shoots that I will be doing in December, and you'll see the behind the scenes and how they work and everything. So we're gonna have a ton of fun this month. Take care and see you soon. Bye.